Let's solve some rebus puzzles. A rebus puzzle is a puzzle that uses pictures and letters put together to convey a word or a phrase. For example, look at this. We've got sand and a witch. When you put those together, you get sandwich. So you would type that right here, your answer right here. What about this one? We've got hair and scissors. Put those together. The rebus puzzle is haircut. You would type your answer right here. Take a look at this one. I've got a net and fingers, net pushing. Oh, it looks like maybe they're trying to flick with their fingers. Netflix. Oh, the word Netflix. You might not be able to get all of these. See which ones you can get.